for which people charge a lot, and we are not charging a single pie. But then at the end, there should be a business model in it, is what I think, because at the end, I don't want me or Palvinder to lose interest midway. Okay, so I wanted to be clear, wherein everyone is pitching in 20,000 rupees, and Palvinder will be guiding us, everyone, to see from step one to till the end how to sell on Amazon. So he'll be doing everything. So at the end, what the reason, after we managed to gather 1,20,000 rupees from one group and another 1,20,000 from the other group, so we'll be going ahead with 2 products or 3 products, and then in next 3-4 months we'll be selling off the products, and whatever is the profit, okay, whatever is the profit, let's say we made around 1.5 lakh, or let's say we made 2 lakhs from 1.2 lakh, so we'll be distributing everything among you. Okay, we'll not keep a single pie from it, but just I wanted to be clear that this is not for making profit, this is just to teach you the step. From the next time, whenever you do, it is up to you, wherein you have to do it yourself to make money from it. And if further we decide to add more money to the campaign and run it, so it will be I and Palvinder who will be putting their money and running the campaign. And in that case, you should have no problem in saying no. Since we put up the money, we have invested the money, you have to give me a return. So will not be bound by anything, and we are so I wanted to be clear with it. Only if you are okay with it, we'll go ahead. So the next 4 months, whatever profit we earn from that 1,20,000, I'll be giving 100% to you without keeping anything. Post that, if we put some more money in the campaign and make any sales in that, so it will be only in between me and Palvinder and not be shared with the group. Understood? So you are basically learning the process, and from the next time you have to do it all yourself. If you want us to guide you from the next time also, that time we'll come out with a business model wherein wherever you need guidance, we will help you there. But that time that will come up, that will have a fee for helping. So we'll have a fee for that. But from choosing the product to finding the supplier, next time, second time, if you need any help, we'll be doing that, but that will be paid. But this time it's completely free. You have to put your effort to learn it, and Palvinder will be there to help you step by step and guide you. So I hope I am clear. In case you have any questions, please ask. So the thing is, you will be getting the complete profit from 1,20,000 that we'll be raising. Secondly, after 1,20,000, if we choose to put more money, that will not be, the profit will not be shared by you, and you don't need to put any money. We will be doing it, and we will be taking the profit, wherein that profit will not be shared with you. I hope I am clear, right? So whoever is attending, so please unmute yourself and one by one. So Ankit, am I clear? Ankit from Japan. I think Ankit cannot hear me. So Ankur, am I clear? Can you just unmute yourself and say yes?
Yes.
So please mute yourself. So Anuj, am I clear? Yeah, Ankit, am I clear?
Yes, you are clear.
Cool. Anuj, am I clear?
Perfect. I mean,
any issues with it? No, right?
no issue.
Good. Chetan, am I clear?
Yes, Sanjeev, you are clear.
So no problems with it?
No problems.
Cool, thank you. Hardik?
Yeah, it's clear, Sanjeev.
Okay. So no issues, right?
Yeah, no issues.
Thanks. Kapil is Naveen, any issues with it?
Yeah, I'm clear. No issues.
Srijan, I think we are clear. Yeah, thanks. So whoever hasn't attended, it is responsibility of the team leaders, Ankit and Kapil, to inform them and make sure that they get this message. And if they are willing, they may continue with us, or else we'll find something else. Now Palvinder is also with us, and I think he is ready with the sheet. that we need to know the roadmap basically. So he'll be sharing. I think I'll hand over the screen to you to him, and he will be sharing the strategies or what we need to do and who has to do what. Okay. So by the time I believe by November we'll be launching our products, and it should be for sale. Okay. So Palvinder, are you there?
Hi, yes, I'm here. I'm ready.
Yes. So are you ready?
Yes, yes.
So how do I make you a presenter? Hold on. Present to everyone.
Just click on my name, I guess.
Yes, I think I just did it. Can you just switch on your camera? For some reason, we are not able to see you. Yes, I can see you. Others can see him, right?
Yes.
So Palvinder is here. Palvinder, over to you.
Okay. Hi guys. So I have created a Excel sheet on Google Docs, which I'll share with two of the mentors. So, but we'll do is it's according to the checklist. From now on, we'll go step by step. First of all, the very first step is niche and product research, which I had explained you guys already in the last webinar. So I guess you guys have. Do you have any questions on that webinar? If you have any confusions or questions.
No
Any-
questions. We are just waiting for the recording of previous webinar for the people who have not attended.
Okay, Palvinder, some of them had not attended the previous session. I'll be sharing because I had taken down the video, just I did not want that to be shared with everyone. So people who are in our group, I'll be sharing the same with them by tomorrow. Other than that, I think some of them have seen and others have not seen. So whoever has not seen, I'll share with them tomorrow.
We haven't got all the means filters that you used for the research.
Yeah, I think it would be great if Palvinder, you can just guide them from step by step so that we now will know what needs to be done.
Okay, just a second. Let me share the screen with you all. Okay, the very step will be niche and product research, as Sanjeev sir and we had discussed. So you both teams will be searching for like 10 products. Uh, how much products were Sanjeev sir? I'm sorry.
Sorry, Palvinder, any question?
How many products we had selected that these guys will search on? I
So
think
basically, each one of them, I think each one can search for one product, but as a group, I think we'll go with one.
okay.
One yeah.
So for product research, you guys will be needing Jungle Scout access, and for that I have managed a RDP on my in my office. So you guys will be having the access of that PC where everything is saved, and you can log in into the PC and you can do your research through the tools. Because if you guys are going to buy your own, then it's gonna cost you like $200. So it's better to start with this one, and in future if you need one, then you can buy for your own. So I'll share with you with two of the mentors, and from there on they can share with their own team members. So first of all, you have to do the product research. Here is the link which I'm going to share in. I think I will not share in the chat, but I will share with the two guys, Ankur and the other one. So the sheet is here. It's product checklist which I had shared in the group as well, but I have made some modifications into this. So you all have to track your product or research your product accordingly. And if everything goes fine, then you will calculate your score here. Your score will be calculated on the right side. From here, when if the score is 60 or above 60, okay, or between 50-70, so it's a good opportunity. But if it's above 70, then you can select that product. So you have to each of the member have to find at least one product, and those all, so that means 5 products each team. Then that 5 products will be given to the mentors, and they will be overlooking on all the products. If everything is fine, then you can share that sheet with us. Then we will, or you can keep updating, but I think this will be public for everyone of the members. So it's better if you can create your own copies. I'll just share the link. So after sharing it, you can once this checklist is updated, then through the Jungle Scout, first you have to do is you have to put an assign, the Amazon assign number, assign here. What is assign? Let me tell you. Amazon Let's say this one. This is no call as assign. This is assign. So you will copy this one and put it here. Product link should be the same one. This one you can copy, or you can just remove the reference thing. What you will be doing from on this sheet is you will be tracking the product manually, because we do have softwares, but softwares may get wrong. So you guys will just keep updating how you'll do that. I had informed you already, but the 99 method is this. When you will go to amazon.com to see this product, like let's see this product is currently unavailable. Let's go for any other product. Let's go for this one. They have more than 999 products. So you will just put it 999 plus here. Okay. And keep adding on this for at least 8 days. Everyone will be adding it for next 8 days, and we'll see how many sales they are getting. And through this, then we'll log into Jungle Scout on your other computer, which I'll share with you. We'll just put this assign here. Product tracker, put it here. We are going to track for US. Okay, it will fetch the data accordingly, because that product is currently unavailable, so it's showing you 0 sales, but it'll show you like this. We'll track on daily basis. So this is hitting 50 sales every day. We'll just check through this one and with iTrack method as well from here. So this is your task which you have to do, and this is the product list which you have to keep on updating, and these are the all the steps which you have to update for each product. Checking through iTrack 99, then checking the top 3 related keywords have over 50,000 monthly searches on Merchant Word. I currently do not have the Merchant Word access, but I'm trying to get one. I had one, but as I'm not using it right now, because we do have one here, Keyword Scott, which can help you. You can search over here as well. So this access you will have this access as well. So after that means this is the total checklist which you have to check, and you can go through this one. When you will read it, you will get to know what this all is mentioned. And once you have it, you will keep updating on this one, and then if the product is making sales according to your expectations, because we'll as we are investing around 1 lakh on each product, so we'll be finding a product which average cost should be, selling price should be below $12, or if the product is more than 12, like $15, because I told you in the earlier webinar that product should be more than $12, but for that we need bigger budget. So we have low amount of budget, so that's why we'll go with a smaller product. So find a product which is below, listed on Amazon below $12, and you will get that product on Alibaba or any other website. You can try to you just not only need to try on alibaba.com, you can find out some other website as well. Sometimes what I do is search on Google, and if you can find a direct supplier through Google, and so, but that's a bit risky, because you won't have escrow or any kind of Alibaba trade insurance. So it's better to go with Alibaba. But still, if you find someone and you think that company is genuine, because previously last year I had invested in like $6,000 in some company I found on Google, and they are yet to deliver the order, and it's been almost a year. I'm calling them every week, every day, and they're still saying. But and later on I came to know that they're drop shipping everything from China. So that's a big loss for me. So better to go with Alibaba. But still, if you think the supplier can be trusted, then you can find on Google as well. And so when you'll find on Alibaba, let's say the product price is $2, should be, and then you'll go to Amazon FBA calculator. Yes. You'll put your product. Let's say you have, just a second. Let's say this product. Copy, sign, paste it over here. Click on search. Now this product price is as an average 10, 12. Let's say $12. We'll sell it at 12. Let's say, just an example, okay? Ship it to Amazon and hold on. No, sorry, we won't select this one. This is a brand.
ठीक है
Yeah, do check that this should be more than 25%. But this is just an idea which I have entered here. You will get to know the exact amount, exact price of the product on Alibaba.com, that what is the price, and even try to negotiate with them. That let's say you tell them that I want to buy 500 sets, and then negotiate from there that I want to test your product quality. I'll share the templates with you when you'll reach to that stage. I do have some templates which I use to use for the suppliers. So this should be more than 20%, and when you will figure this out, then you will just update over here in this sorry, in this one, and you'll put everything over here. There should be 10 products, and from those 10 products the mentors will be selecting around 3 or 4 or maybe all 5. Then from there on we'll see which one is good to go, and according to our budget from we'll go with this one. All good, I guess. Score to target on any particular score to target on jungle scout. Let me show you. There are only 2 scores. Region. If you're tracking product, then we'll say this is the daily average sales. So it should not be. It's totally depends. It totally depends on our product price. Because if we are selling something like if we have in 100 pieces in inventory, so if this is selling 55 every day, or let's say this is selling 8, so it'll give us more to get the inventory before our product will be because we need at least 200 units in our inventory. Because if we'll have less inventory, then our product ratings will be, or rankings will be taken down by Amazon. They won't let us stay on the first page, because we have to do that. Will Sanjeev sir will be working on that, and he'll be ranking our products on Amazon, so it won't stay over there for long time. And the score, I'll show you one thing. Here is product database. If you have no ideas like which category you think, or sorry, which product you should find, you can use this as well. You can select the categories. I can share the link with you, which I told you earlier. You can update there from you, or you have, if you have any category in your mind, you can select from here, and you can find a particular like any product in that particular category. So you can use this one. From there on, whatever the products you will be thinking that are selling good, the low quality score, it should always has to be like, if it's 15, then it's very bad. They aren't doing anything better. So we should find the low quality products, but still low listing quality score, sorry, that means. it has to be below 60, I guess, because if it's below 60, then there are 40% of the chances that we can make and some changes in our product. But it has to be below 60. If we'll go above 60, then that will be hard to sell, and these are not doing pretty well, but I haven't used any filter. So you can use this one. And Sanjeev sir, I'll share every information with you so that you can share, you can forward the information to the other guys, or I can send the information to other two guys. We need the recording. Okay. Do anybody have any questions? Can you write it down in the chat box? And guys, one request: please do not share these credentials of the jungle squad with anyone else, because if they caught us sharing it with others, then they'll, how you will manage time schedule for that will be managed by these two mentors. They are yet to inform me that how won't we need the JS extension. You do have that as well, Srijan. First of all, Anuj, this will be decided by the mentors and by Sanjeev sir. We are yet to discuss that. We'll start it, I guess, from Monday or from tomorrow. But whenever we'll start it, we'll just let you know the timings for everyone, because my system will be on 24 hours for you guys. So anybody can use it in the given time. It will be assigned to everyone. And Srijan, yes, you will be getting JS extensions. I have both. You will get the login as well. JS is to just check the competition. Let me tell you. Let's say you will have it. I have it on my PC, this PC as well, and you will have it on your other PC as well. On my like the access which you are going to have. This is first of all, you have to go through the Jungle Scout web app, and once you will find the product from there, then you can find over here that what is the demand. Or first of all, you can find search for the keyword here, and then you can see if this has low, no, sorry, medium demand or high demand, but this should be low always. Competition should be always low, because if the demand is medium and competition is low, then again we can compete with that one, because that means the product is average selling, but the competition is low, so we can compete with that. And if you, I won't suggest you to go with twice, because this was a good category, but I think we'll have more money for that. So you can start with others. I'll Last time I had shared the sheet, but this time I think I haven't. But I'll put it in a Dropbox and we'll share the link with the mentors. And if they tend to share with you guys, then they'll do that. Any questions? Sanjeev sir, you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Anuj, group login. Actually, I will be sharing through TeamViewer. So yes, if you guys want, you can do a group login as well. Because as I think there is no limit on TeamViewer that only any X amount of people can join at a time. I guess as many as people want, they can join. So it's up to you guys. If you want to join all by group, then you can do that as well. But I think you won't be able to communicate with each other. We have to find some way to communicate at the same time with each other if you want to do a group login. If that is what you mean. Group either for group buy. Yeah, there is one website where you can buy. Yeah, yeah, that is buggy. No, that is not buggy, Srijan. What happens is if there is only one login and the other guy logs in at the same time, then it will be logged out from your system. I used to do it as well, but it's not. Uh, I mean, it's not worth the money. You will just waste your time and money, and even others can see your product as well. So it's better to use your own, as you share with some of your guys, as we are doing. And that is a bit risky as well. If Jungle Squad finds it out that we are doing a group buy, then they'll just shut the account. So better to use this one, but please don't try to log in into your own systems, because last time I had 3 computers in my office, and we guys used to log in on all the 3 computers, and they had sent me an email that you used one account or on more than two account on more than 2 computers. So are you sharing your credentials? So I had informed them, no, I have 3 computers. So then they allowed me, but if it will be more than 3, and even the IPs will be changing if you guys are logging on your own system, so it may block the account. So better to go with use this one only. So I guess, Sanjeev sir, that's all, and I'll share the links with you, and you can, and in the group we have on Facebook, in the messenger.
Right. If you have any questions, you can connect with your team leaders like Ankit and Kapil. And I think we can get started from tomorrow or Monday. Okay. So if we start from tomorrow or Monday, so next week, will we be in a position to take a call that which products will we be going with? Palvinder?
Yes, sir. If they are going to do it now, I mean by tomorrow, then we just need 1 week, I guess, to track the product. But mostly it takes more than a week. But as we have short time, because now a good thing happened to us, because Alibaba has just started giving 50% discount on shipping. So
Okay.
we'll save some money on that as well.
Okay.
It's
So this week, so next today is Saturday, I believe. So by next Saturday or let's say Sunday, we'll do another webinar and we'll choose the product. And then what would be the next step?
Then we'll find a supplier.
Okay.
These guys will be doing that. They'll be
Okay.
finding the supplier as well. Then I'll talk to the supplier, or they, even everyone. I guess it's a good idea if everyone will
Find the supplier.
I mean contacting them from their sides, because then we can know the price, whoever is better in negotiation, and then we'll ask, compare the prices, and we'll go accordingly. And after
Okay.
that, we'll just place an order once we'll finalize the supplier, and then we have to pay only 30% upfront to them. In the
Mhm.
meanwhile, we'll get started on Amazon. We'll sign up and we'll create the listing. And if we have a logo, and we have to find a brand name as well. We have to work on. But initially, we'll start with any random name, because we are not going to register any brand name. We'll just use a random name. But later on, we'll just, if we want to continue that on that product, then we'll do the research. We'll do the brand registration, which is free on Amazon. We won't have to pay anything. But yeah, if you want to get the same account in bank account, I like same company name, and as well, okay, that will be costing us extra. Please share the link of people. I think I will be, it will be too fast. As you are using
Yeah,
Yes.
Anuj, that would be 7 days, 8 days, 8 days into 24 hours. We just need to convert it to hours and then minutes and then seconds. It will be a huge time for us. So I think yes, 8 days is more than enough for us to know it. How much time do one needs to give every day? 30 minutes is more than enough, Palvinder?
No, sir. I think at least 1 hour is enough for them. 1 hour is required. They have to, because they won't be having any pressure that we have only 1 hour. They can do the offline research as well, but on the software they'll be needing more than 1 hour at least. It's not something
Okay.
which is done in 1 hour.
Okay.
As the RDP will be open all the time, they can inform the mentor, and he can give the access to whoever the guy will be online or will be having free time.
Right. 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 So yes, so I think that's it. Anything else we need to discuss?
If anybody have any questions, and I want to make clear one thing, guys. Please don't think that we are doing it to set up a new business module. First of all, we want to help you guys, and then after that we'll decide whatever the things, however the things will go, and we'll proceed from there on. So first of all, one question going forward, are we going to do giveaway? No, we won't be doing giveaways, because recently Amazon has changed their policies, and giveaways are not working anymore. But yeah, we do have to get some of the reviews, which I think I can get from my side. So I'll manage that thing, and to do, instead of doing the giveaways, we'll be doing the few other things which I have in mind, which I'll be sharing with you guys. Like we can buy the Amazon services from someone. We won't have to pay for that. I have a guy who can do it for free. I think not for free, I mean for some, he's doing it for me, so he can do for our product as well. We won't be doing any giveaways, that is for sure, because we have low budget. So we won't be doing, I see previously we used to do like 40 to 50 giveaways to get the product and reviews, but that thing doesn't work anymore. Yeah, we'll be doing PPC ads through Amazon only, and I think Sanjeev sir is good at PPC, so he'll be managing that, and for that we'll be needing very less money. uh, let's see how things goes. We'll do accordingly. Anybody else have any questions? No, for the starting, I think we'll see how the conversions are, because for me Insta has worked and Amazon has worked much better than Facebook for me, but I'm not sure. Will, it totally depends on the product which we are going to select, and if the product is going to be into clothing, and no, we won't be going into clothing, but still, if is something in which is in regular use, then we can go to Facebook. Otherwise, for me Facebook had very bad experience. Instead of that, because Amazon is something which is good, and if we can continue the sales on daily basis, then we won't be needing much budget for PPC.
Just to add to what Palvinder said, we'll start with Amazon, and then we need to make sure that we get our returns back, and which I am very much hopeful that we will. Once we get that, as I said, there are lots of other plans to expand and what we need to do, what else we can do. Since you will be a part of the group, we can definitely do other stuffs as well. So let's get started at least. Cool. So I think Palvinder, I think we are done. So thank you guys for attending the webinar. I'll be sharing this video webinar link with you, so that in case you have any one of you have missed, you will be able to uh, learn it. So share your email addresses. I think your team leader will have your email addresses. So I'll be adding your email address so that you get the access to it. So thank you for your time, and I wish you all the very best. Bye bye.
Thank you, Sanjeev, and thank you, Balvinder.